Someone once asked me, when you delete photos on an iPhone, where do they go? So here's an entire breakdown of how storage actually works. Multiple things you can use to store data. The two most common found in computers and iPhones are solid-state drives and hard disk drives. They're just different ways to hold information. In order to have as much information as possible on the smallest drive possible, most systems encrypt their data onto bits and then use an address to sort of locate where that information is and decrypt it. Whenever you're accessing a file, the computer finds that address and goes to the location in the drive to access that file. Believe it or not, when you delete a file, you're not actually deleting it. All you're doing is deleting the address, which tells the computer that the file space that was originally taken up by the file is now just open to be rewritten as whatever it wants to. Which is why people like the government will go back and destroy the actual hard drive and the actual data on it to make sure that nobody can go back and find those files. Which is why if you're on PC, you'll sometimes see an option to totally delete or hard delete, and all you're doing is going back and actually wiping that entire drive instead of just deleting the address and telling the PC this file can be overwritten.